Good morning and welcome to a super quick video to explain how to access and find articles in the Delaware Tech database using EbscoHost. Start by going to Resources, then under the Delaware Tech Libraries box, choose EbscoHost. That will take you to the database homepage where you can choose from different databases. I suggest Master File Premier for most searches. Click Continue. And before you put in your search terms, you can limit your results. This is really useful if you need to find an article within a certain time frame or from a certain publication. I recommend that everyone choose full text, and then you can limit or not limit as you see fit, but definitely choose the full text box so that you're getting the full article. Go ahead and put in whatever your search terms are, and then search, and Master File Premier will provide you with multiple results. We've got 76 results now about this article. If at this point you want to research, you can do that here. You can change the database that you're searching in here, or you can come over here and limit your search results further. Once you've found an article that you want to use, if you need to send it to yourself so that you don't lose it, or if you need to email it to your instructor for approval, you can use the email feature right in the database to do that. You cannot just copy the web link from this article because it's a subscription-based database. That won't work. So go to the email, put in your instructor's email right here where it says email to, and then in the subject line, make sure that you're putting your name because this email is going to come from EBSCO. So your instructor won't know whose article it is unless you put information in the subject or the comments that helps them understand whose article is whose. So make sure that you have your instructor's email correct, make sure that you include your name, and then you can send the article right from within EbscoHost. Again, I also recommend sending a copy to yourself so that you don't lose it, and so you'll be able to access it when you need it for your assignment. You can also print from here, or you can save it to your Google Drive. Hopefully this helps. Good luck and have fun.